Hey everyone, welcome back to the Branson fam. If you're new here, we're all about bringing you the best that Branson and the Ozarks have to offer. Today we're bringing you something really special, a full review of Thunder Ridge Nature Arena, one of the newest and most stunning venues in the Branson area. Whether you're a concert lover, a nature enthusiast, or just someone looking for a unique experience, you'll want to stick around for this one. It's all coming at you right after we roll that intro. Located in the heart of the Ozarks, Thunder Ridge is nestled in the rolling hills just outside Branson, offering a breathtaking view of the natural beauty of this region. But it's not just about the view here. This venue offers incredible live music events, and we're diving into everything you need to know before you go. Before we dive in, though, we want to say that we have seen major changes take place at this venue from its beginning to its current state of beauty, and we know that Thunder Ridge continues to evolve as they learn from different sizes of crowds and concert experiences. For example, Paul and I attended the very first concert event here with Garth Brooks being the main performer to open up this venue. The beautiful buildings and structures that you see in our most recent concert footage and reviews were not built at that time, and the parking situation had us all the way across the major highways. Needless to say, that Garth Brooks concert weekend was a huge learning curve, and we've seen improvements since that time in October of 2022. We also know that parking and traffic will continue to be a work in progress as time goes along. With all of that being said, please know that the information in this video consists of what we have learned as locals who have attended several concerts and media events here, and we still highly suggest that you review all information provided for you in your ticket purchases and on the Thunder Ridge Nature Arena website. In today's video, we want to give you a general overview of what to expect when attending a Thunder Ridge event. But also, please know that each concert will be slightly different and crowd sizes will vary depending on the performers and genre of music. We are creating this video in late July of 2025, and we will try to continue to update information on our channel as we attend more and more events here. We also highly recommend following Thunder Ridge Nature Arena on social media to stay in the know about your specific concert's updates and expectations. To help you have the best concert experience, here are some things that you'll want to know. Before ever arriving at the venue, we highly recommend going to the Thunder Ridge Nature Arena website, which we will have linked for you in the description below. Find the concert or event that you are interested in attending. When you click to buy your tickets, you will be directed to Ticketmaster to go through the purchasing process. Once you have completed all purchasing steps, you will have the option to download your tickets to your phone. This is a step that you will always want to take before arriving at Thunder Ridge, because here's the reality. This event venue is out in the Ozarks Hills, which can sometimes cause you to lose service. Having those tickets downloaded to your phone in your Apple Wallet or equivalent can be a lifesaver for you to get into the gates on your concert night. And if we can offer a pro tip, do not wait to purchase your tickets, especially if you know that your concert will be a popular event. This arena is huge, but even it has capacity limits, and you don't want to miss a concert that you've had your heart set on attending. Moving on to the subject of parking at Thunder Ridge Nature Arena. Now, it is no secret that parking on highly attended concert nights have gained a lot of attention in the media. We are well aware that parking procedures have made a lot of progress since our first Garth Brooks concert, and there was a lot of attention brought to the Post Malone Jelly Roll concert parking issues. However, if there's one thing we know, it is that parking will continue to improve and have adjustments made as this venue evolves. The next pieces of information come from our most recent experience at the Kane Brown concert in 2025. On the day of your event, you have several options when it comes to parking. Let's start with the parking upgrades, which can also be purchased through Ticketmaster. If you would like to pay ahead of time to park closer to the event venue, then you might want to add on either premium or diamond parking, both of which will get you closer to the fan zone and the event space. Diamond and premium parking will have their own turnoff at the nearest roundabout onto Jones Road. Premium parking will put your vehicle closest to the fan zone and event space. Diamond parking will be the next closest parking section. And then general admission parking is behind Diamond, and that general admission parking is currently free. On our most recent concert night, we opted for the free general admission parking. If you choose to go the general admission route too, just be sure to turn off at the Thunder Ridge main entrance sign at the nearest roundabout. And when it comes to getting into the parking lots and finding a spot, our expert advice is to get there early. If you know that you will be attending a heavily attended concert, getting to your parking spot when the fan zone opens would be a great idea. Speaking of the fan zone, let's talk about what you can find here. The fan zone is an area outside of the main arena space where event goers can hang out, listen to music, grab food and drinks, and visit vendor booths before the gates officially open to the arena. Thunder Ridge will post fan zone and gate opening times prior to your concert date. Before guests enter the fan zone, there is a strict security check. Here are some things you'll want to know before you reach that security checkpoint. In general, Thunder Ridge Nature Arena has a clear bag policy. Small purses and handbags are permitted and will be subject to a thorough check upon entering the venue. No backpacks, duffel bags, large sacks, or cases will be permitted inside Thunder Ridge Nature Arena. Clear bags are to be no larger than 12 by 6 by 12 inches. Small clutch purses can be no bigger than the palm of your hand, roughly 4.5 by 6.5 inches. If you have concerns about medical or diaper bags, they can be allowed but must be checked thoroughly at this security checkpoint. Approved items to bring into the fan zone and the event arena include your clear bag or small clutch, blankets, seat cushions, and they will allow you to bring in an empty, clear, squeezable water bottle. Please be sure to review all security information on the Thunder Ridge Nature Arena website for all updates of approved and prohibited materials before you arrive at your concert. Once you've made it through that security checkpoint, you can enjoy the fan zone. The food trucks and vendor options may vary depending on your concert date. These are the options that were available in late July of 2025. Temperatures on this day were in the 90s with high humidity. We did our best to keep cool by drinking plenty of water and filling our bottles at the free water filling stations that look like huge green Thunder Ridge cups. The water was very cold and refreshing at these stations. We also shared some Italian ice from one of the food truck vendors, and we tried to find shade when possible. In the future, we hope that they do provide more shaded areas and possibly more fans to try to keep concert goers cooler during these hot summer months. Once the gates do get ready to open, guests will be directed to a path that will lead beneath the White River Party Barn on one side of the venue and then beneath the Veterans Tower on the other side of the venue. This is where guests will scan the tickets downloaded onto their phones, and from this point, there is no re-entry into the arena. We highly suggest scanning the QR code on the nearby signs and connecting to the Thunder Ridge Nature Arena free Wi-Fi, as cell phone service can get very spotty or non-existent when you enter the gates. Once you have scanned your ticket, you will have the option to visit the marketplace beneath the shaded covering of the building. The marketplace locations within the arena are where guests can purchase food items and drinks. Marketplace locations are near the gate entries and also down near the floor seats on both sides of the stage. Once you have selected your desired items, you will head to the self-service checkout stations where you place your items on the platform. Your items are automatically registered and totaled for you to pay and be on your way. All self-checkout stations are monitored by staff and security. Any alcohol purchase requires showing valid identification. Once guests have exited the shade beneath the building, the most stunning Ozarks view awaits. Each time we attend an event here, we catch ourselves standing in awe of this landscape, displaying the beauty of Table Rock Lake and the rolling hills that surround it. And once you've taken in that view, you can see the layout of the arena, including various seating options. Most obviously, guests will notice the huge grassy hill area where guests are allowed to sit on only their blankets or seat cushions. Thunder Ridge does have small lawn chairs and stadium blankets for rent. When Paul and I attended the Garth Brooks concert here, we enjoyed the hill area with just our blanket from home, and it was such a fun concert experience that we will never forget. However, this time around, we decided to purchase floor seats closer to the stage, where actual chairs were provided and assigned with our ticket purchase. Now, if someone wants to be extra close to the stage and standing for the entirety of the concert, then the pit tickets will be the ticket option to go for. If you do have tickets on the floor or in the pit area, please know that you will have to pour all of your bottled or canned liquids into the provided cups before you enter the floor area of the venue. There are several reasons for this, but just know that the staff and security will ask you to do so. If you're looking for an even better concert experience designed with comfort in mind, we know of some spectacular upgrades for you all. When you upgrade to premium tickets, you're going to find prime locations with exceptional views, exclusive access to premium lounges, unrivaled suites and amenities, VIP premium parking, and a dedicated entrance with early entry included in your upgrade. For our concert on July 26, 2025, we were able to see Kane Brown, Dasha, and John Morgan all perform. This was a special occasion for our family as it was the first concert that we have taken our kids to. And as you can see from our footage, they danced their hearts out and enjoyed it thoroughly. The finale of the concert with the confetti flying and the fireworks going off nearby will be a memory that our family will have forever. We can't wait to see this young concert venue grow alongside our children. Whether you're enjoying those upgrade experiences or you're watching the event from your blankets on the hill, Thunder Ridge provides a unique, unforgettable outdoor venue with incredible talent during each concert night. When the concert is over, we will just give you a heads up that you should prepare your patience to exit the event. Just as there have been traffic issues coming into the parking lots sometimes, there will be traffic when exiting as well. Aside from the jaw-dropping views, this outdoor arena offers a one-of-a-kind experience where music and nature blend together splendidly. If you're planning a trip to Branson and want to experience a live concert in a way that you've never done before, definitely add Thunder Ridge Nature Arena to your list. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more vacation tips, tricks, and recommendations right here on our channel. But until our next adventure, fam, we'll catch y'all later.